In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Following that, use this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Passwords Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Finally, select the Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!